I think humor is one of the greatest benefits. Why? Because humor is always contrasting essence with perception. It's always contrasting how the world or you view something and what the reality is. You know what I'm saying? And then it's the contrast that makes it funny. It's the contrast that makes it funny. People that are very, very serious about life all the time are dangerous. You never know. Did you never notice Hitler laughing? Stalin joking? Chairman Mao? Peasants, peasants, I will lead you to freedom. How many people died on his great march? The great leader. What was it? 30,000? 30,000 died on the trip. Mao's great trek across, I think 30,000. I don't imagine I would call a guy who had lost 30,000 of his troops just going from here to there a great leader. I'd call him in for a hearing. You lost 30,000 troops from here to Phoenix? I don't think I would call him the great. Yes. So humility and humor. Humor and humility go together. You see what I'm saying? When you take yourself too seriously, you can be carried away with yourself. And when you see how imbecilic you are, it makes you laugh, and then you're fine. Dedication to the path. Dedication. Along the pathway, you become increasingly aware of beauty. First of all, there's the humor. That's the human perception projected onto life, and you see the humor of the contrast between reality and perception. Eventually, you become very dedicated. The pathway, or the teachings that I ascribe, is the pathway to God through absolute, confirmable, and verifiable truth. Truth itself. Truth itself is the pathway to God. There are various ways to the truth of essence. If you're devoted to integrity, to honesty and the truth and the perfection, etc., you become increasingly sensitive to beauty and the beauty of all that exists. Become increasingly so. I always advise people, become aware of the beauty of each thing. If you don't project anything onto it, you see its absolute perfection.